So hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. And as you all of you know, like we have an environment day today. So I have planned especially the painting session with respect to environment day. Last year also, if you remember, we have done that. That we have painted, this lavender fields. You can see that in my background. So we have painted over the pot. This year I have a lavender seeds which I have ordered. So we are going to, plant these seeds also. And I do have a, aloe vera sapling also. This one also we are going to plant it. So these all are, homemade. So sapling. So let's start with the pots. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to use very basic, simple technique. So this is a liquid acrylic paint. These two shades I'm going to use it along with yellow. So total three shades, simplest one. And I just need, I'll be using partially pouring technique as well as brushing also. One normal brush I need it, and two spoon I need it, which I'll be using during pouring and planting. So let's continue this particular, session with respect to the painting. So I'm taking first pot, so which is, basically a plastic pot. You can take any plastic pot. So normally when we buy from the nursery, we'll be getting these pots. So these I am going to use it. You can use simple any box also. If you see here, this was the box which I have painted and crafted also. So you can do in that way, but remember to make a hole, in the sense, for the plantation especially it is required. And you can use these type of plates which you can buy it or order from the Amazon or Nursery Live also. So this is to keep that pot so that that water doesn't, especially that we'll be pouring that water na, so it shouldn't be spilled here. And same you can use it outside also. So let's start doing this exercise. So let me, just adjust my camera. And so this is what our pot is. Give me a second. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so my plan is, I can do in both way. So initially green I will be painting it, and then top of that I'll be pouring this teal. Okay, so this is what will look good as a combination. So this is a liquid paint. So you can directly use the brush, or you can take that on the plate also. Okay. So let's start painting it. Just take that. Do not use too much water and just start painting. You can take a broader brush also. So this will be done faster. Okay, let me take broader brush and then just paint the first layer. Okay. Alexa, play a piano instrumental.
Here's a station you might like, classical piano on Amazon Music.
So you can do it in any, any combination, the zigzag or vertical, and just put that first layer. In the same layer it will never go until we are using textured or something. Okay, so use this brush and put the first layer. You can keep that hand inside and then turn it. So in this way na, it will not go as a, it will not, your hand will be untouched. Otherwise you can use gloves also if you have it. I do not use gloves, and it's a pretty simple exercise. That's all. So this is your first layer. Okay, now you can just keep this pot to dry it partially. So we have to again, do that some portion. Let it be. Let's keep that dry. Now I'm taking my another pot. So I'll be doing the same first layer here also. And just do it in a circular manner, so it will happen fast. You can take some more broader brush also, and just enjoy this activity. Okay, and that's all. Okay, and this is the first layer. It's going to over soon. Okay. Because inside anyway soil will go, so no, nothing much is required at the bottom as well as inside. Okay, inside of the pot, only outside we have to. And we are using acrylic because acrylic will sustain for some time. I have few pots which is for more than 2 to 3 years. Still they are in the good condition using acrylic paint. So with this first layer is done for these pots, and keep it in the reverse order only. Let it be like this. Now in the first one only we can do the second layer like this. You can hold this and put in the second layer, or you can wait for some dry also. Let it dry because it is live, so I cannot wait for long, but it is almost dried. Just put the second layer. And especially green color, it's very soothing. It comes under uh, soothing, especially for the mindful exercise, and somewhat it is connected with nature also. So our mind also will get adjusted, with respect to associating that with the calmful, themes, especially. So with this, our green shade is done with two layers. Now next one, we will be doing some pouring part using spoon only, and we can turn this pots. Otherwise, let it be like this. We'll do it in reverse order, so it will be much easier. So now I have a spoon and I have another paint. So I'll be using, in one pot I'll be using yellow, in other pot I'll be using teal. Okay, so let's start that. So you have to just take it in the, in spoon, and nothing much we have to do. Actually, we have to just pour it and leave it. That's all. Rest anyway, it will create the drops. Okay. That's all. Just turn it slightly. Ensure paint is flowing. If some places it's been blocked, so you can just pour at that place only, that much. That's all. And let's do yellow in the same spoon only. I'll be using. So this is our yellow paint I will be using here. Because it was already teal was there, right? So it has created nice pattern in the pouring, especially. Wow. Let's take some more. Okay. I'm just blowing at some places so that wherever we use two colors, right? So it will be create a different pattern. Do not worry about the bottom. So, yeah, this is looking fine. Let it be like this. So this is done. This much only. And if required, because paint is remaining, I'll be just I can put that into bottom also, but it's not required. But yeah, we can do this. This is quite interesting because lavender seeds are imported one. So let's see how it will, germinate in the, especially in our soil. So this is going to be a, and other is aloe vera. So that is a proven one. So nothing much. It's fine. Okay. Okay. So painting part is done. Now we have to just wait for drying. So meanwhile, I'll show you, especially I'll show you my seeds part. So these are the lavender seeds. So I'm going to put the 10 seeds only because this is what I'm doing, going to do it first time, especially imported one. So I will see, how it will germinate, because I do have another technique which I'm going to try it. And this one I will try that in the pot only. Another one I'll try it in the tissue paper. In the both technique I'm going to use the tissue paper only, but I'll be dividing these seeds into three parts. So one I'm going to use today, rest I will do it offline. So this is almost 100 seeds. So what I'm, let me just close all these painting part so that I can do this, especially. So let it dry. Meanwhile, I'll show you. This is a cockpit. So I have mixed with the this one proper fertilizer. No, that is compost. That is organic. Okay. And I do have a spoon, so I'm going to mix both of them. This is, I'm mixing it. And I am not going to use any other things because it is for germination. And other one is aloe vera, so it will grow. This is a proven part. Only we have to be careful with respect to water. Do not over water, even in the lavender as well as aloe vera. Do not over water, although aloe vera grows even in water also, but especially with the cockpit, because this one, not cockpit, sorry, cocoa peat. Sorry. So this one, cocoa peat will always capture the moisture, so not much watering is required on this. So I'm just waiting, just give me a second. So it seems it will take some time, and so what I'll do, I'm just closing this live, and I will create a video separately and I will upload that in my YouTube channel, and I'm going to put that link later. So please do watch out and see how it's been planted, especially on the environment day, and keep a track. I'll keep posting about the updates with respect to my plants. So bye bye, take care, wish you a very happy environment day. And this environment day, just take one step, one small step, which is related to eco-friendly, anything, even it is related to the shopping decision or anything, traveling, etc. Just take one and just start implementing that, and just contribute your small contribution to the nature. So bye bye, take care, I'll see you in my next live. Bye bye.